Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we finally get to unbox the premium box for the month of January. And if you're as interested to find out as I am what's inside, then keep watching. For those of you that are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a multi-tier beauty subscription service. This here is the premium box. It's $35 a month and you receive 5 to 6 items in the area of makeup, skincare, or on occasion lifestyle products. So with no further ado, let's dig in. Inside your box, you should find a card, and each month we have a theme, and this month's theme is Fresh Start, and we could really use that. Actually, I could use that every month. But anyway, on the back of the card, you will find a listing of all the products, their retail value, and also a variation in the corner. And my variation this month is, again, lots of letters and numbers. So the first item I see is my choice item, and it's from Laura Mercier. This is their Caviar Stick Eye Color. It is a creamy eyeshadow stick with 12-hour wear that is crease and transfer resistant for a long-lasting finish. And this retails for $29. And here is what the eyeshadow looks like. And I chose the color Heat. So let's see what Heat looks like. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. And here's the color that I chose. It is the color Heat. And the way I can describe it is kind of a burnt rose color with some metallic shimmer. It's really, really beautiful, and I already can tell I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one. Hey everybody, I just wanted to add this to my video and show you that here is the Laura Mercier shadow stick, and as I tried to wipe it off, it doesn't want to come off. Not saying that you can't take it off with a makeup wipe or the makeup cloth, but this is going to stay on your eye for as long as you want it to. And this is the back of the towel, and this is a paper towel. It is not coming off. Incredible. The next item I received is from Summer Fridays, and this is their Jet Lag Mask. Now this product did come with a warning email from BoxyCharm to all of their premium customers. Now if you receive this item, make sure that you do a patch test behind your ear or on your neck area to make sure that you don't have an allergic reaction. So here's the product, and the packaging is a metal tube, which is nice. It feels rather luxe. Now let's open this up and see what the texture of the cream looks like. So the first thing I noticed right off the bat is there is no safety seal. Here's the cream itself. It is a white based cream. My first impressions of this cream are that it's very, very nice, very smooth. It feels very hydrating. It does have a very slight scent. I would say eucalyptus is the note that I'm smelling. Not sure how well you can see the sheen on the back of my hand, but it is quite moisturizing, and with that hint of eucalyptus in there as far as a scent, just make sure that you do that patch test before you put it on your face. The next item is from Tarte. This is their Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. Prepare to be obsessed with this ultra-fine continuous vegan superfruit setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish so skin looks healthy and hydrated. And this retails for $23. Now I've seen this product before in previous month's boxes. It was the end of 2020. I was not lucky enough to get one of those at that point, but I'm glad that it came for this month's box. Now let's see what this ultra-fine mist really looks like. Wow, when they say ultra-fine mist, they're not kidding. This was really, really nice. I am kind of loyal to my setting sprays, but I am going to definitely use this and compare it to the ones I already have. The next item is from PMD. This is their Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. and this retails for $30. My first impressions of the PMD cloth are that it is really, really soft. I like the size of the cloth. It's not too big, not too small, and I like that it's pink. I do use makeup removing cloths on a regular basis. I have another brand in my bathroom right now, but I like using them over the wipe. It makes me feel a little bit better that I'm not adding to our landfill situation, even though they are small. But every little bit helps. I'm really looking forward to using this and see how it compares over the brand I already have. And the next item I have is from Lashes MD, a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, and healthier eyelashes and brows. You apply this eyelash enhancer once a day and it encourages longer and healthier lashes. And this retails for $69.95. So here's the packaging that it comes in, and it is a small black tube, and it looks, I don't know if it's going to be like a mascara applicator. Oh, no. So here is the applicator, and it is a brush style applicator. So you would just take this and smooth it along your lash line once a day, and hopefully you will see some kind of results. So the front of the packaging states that you should see some initial results in about 3 weeks. So I'll be putting this to the test and see if this lash serum actually performs. All right, and then the last item is from Ofra, and I was wondering if I was going to get a palette or not. This is their Good to Go Mini Mix palette. This is a mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter, All of the Lights. This lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop into your makeup bag, and this retails for $39. Oh, how cute. So up at the top it says, "Smile, you are beautiful." Wow, so this really is a full face of makeup. Here you have your blush, your bronzer, your highlighter, and then you have a bunch of eyeshadows up at the top. So this is really nice, really compact, easy to travel with. And this highlighter, people have really great things to say, not only about the highlighter, but the product line itself. And let's see how you go about opening this. So here's the plastic cover. It did say magnetic, so yes, there is that magnetic snap, which is really nice to keep it secure in your bag. Let's do some swatches. I'm really, really impressed. I have swatched all the products on my arm, and I have to say, all these metallic shades, including the highlighter, swatched incredibly well. High pigmented, lots and lots of payoff, and smooth as butter. So let me show you what those shades look like. They all are, and I hope this camera is doing them justice. But here you have your highlighter. Here is the first metallic shadow, the second, and that green shade. They came off smooth as butter and really reflective. I cannot wait to use this palette. Overall, I'm really happy with all the products that I got this month. I'm hoping that this is a good indication that the rest of the year will go well also. But this Maracuja spray I will be putting up against my all-time favorite, the Urban Decay All Nighter, and the Ofra Mini Face Palette. Wow, those metallic shades in the highlighter, highly pigmented, and they swatched super smooth. So looking forward to using all of these products, and I want to thank you for joining me and helping me unbox everything. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as it really helps my channel grow. So until the next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.